Welcome to my channel. Several types of Olay Regenerist Retinol are available, each with its own characteristics, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Retinol 24 to the max. This facial moisturizer penetrates the surface of your skin at night to transform your skin with Retinol 24's maximum concentration of hydration. Fragrance-free cream. This fragrance-free, rich, and creamy moisturizer absorbs quickly so you are not left with a greasy feeling, or pillow. Maximized ingredients. Our Retinol 24 formula is now in max, with 20% more Retinol 24 hydrating complex versus base Retinol 24. Get your beauty sleep, massage cream over your face and neck at night. Always use SPF in the daytime when using Retinol. 24-hour transformation, visibly smooths and brightens thanks to the Retinol 24 hydrating complex. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.